Friday shopping, y'all. And ain't nobody really out. There's like really nobody here, y'all. This is all some Black Friday experience. Ugh. Mama's basket, my basket. I forgot Mama don't hold those. Oh, thank you. It smells weird in here.
How do you smell through the mask?
You can't smell through your mask?
I'm too busy trying to breathe.
Oh gosh, Mama. Don't tell nobody else that.
I know. They don't bother me as much. Unless I get hot.
The Macy's backstage.
The what?
Macy's backstage. Oh gosh. Did they start at 5 and they didn't clean off these shelves?
Mm-hmm. They got a king.
Oh Lord.
I can't even see the. Oh, there's a king.
But I hear no church bells ringing out for me. This year I've been nothing but good Santa Claus. I hope you're the same and put some big fat golden stars in your book for me. Tell me Santa, it's Christmas all about love.
So this is very disappointing for Boots. Okay.
You and me, and I think I've got more than enough just by walking around being me. And I'm sure Santa Claus can see and make you mine. Tell me Santa, it's Christmas all about love. In that case, can I have the one that I've been dreaming of? Tell me Santa, it's Christmas about love. It's the only thing on my wish list now. Tell me Santa.
Y'all, look what we done bought. My debit card on Black Friday, boy. Woo. It's tired, honey. My debit card is tired. Let me tell you, it's tired. Tired. Yeah, that was terrible. Whew. Getting this out. Let's see. Whew. I'm out of breath. Let's see. That's mine. That's mine. Let me see. Where should I put the cheese? Okay, put the cheese. Okay. Is that everything? I think that's everything. Whew. Whew. Whew, y'all, that was a lot of stuff. More toilet paper. I guess I can put this toilet paper. Hey, y'all. Oh my gosh. It has been a crazy day. It is now 10:28 a.m. on Black Friday. We started at 5 this morning at Walmart. Child, I have literally shopped till I drop. Oh gosh. Honey, my debit card, I've been tearing that thing up, child. Been tearing it up. Woo! Now, but I think I'm done spending money for today. We done bought all kind of stuff. I'm about to go into the mall, go to Pandora to exchange my bracelet, my Pandora bracelet, because all my charms from my old bracelet don't fit on this one, so I need to exchange it. So we're about to go do that, y'all. I may go by Mathis Brothers. I don't know. We're gonna do that, and then we're going home, child, because it's been too much. So let go. Y'all, I'm walking all around this daggone mall. Get off the Escalade and Pandora right here in my face. And I'm walking all around. What the hell? So we got the bracelet changed out. It's a little bigger, but that's okay. I like this one much better. It's much more sparkly. I got my charms polished, so I like this one so much better. So now I'm about to go get me something to eat, honey, because I'm starving like Marvin. Okay, let go. Y'all, I do not know how I am functioning right now. I've been awake and just going for over 24 hours. I could not sleep last night, so I was just up doing all kinds of random stuff. Went to my mama's house at 4:30 in the morning to get to Walmart by 5. Didn't plan on really buying nothing today, child, and just done bought up everything, okay? So now I'm at Mathis Brothers. We're about to go in here, see what we can find. I'm looking for a piece for the living room, and oh gosh, people are walking by looking at me, talking to my camera. I'm in Oklahoma. These people don't know nothing about vlogging, okay? And I want like a fireplace TV stand for our TV in the master bedroom. So let's go. right, you guys, I am back home. I did not find anything at Mathis Brothers, so we will try again somewhere else, maybe another day. Here is this big old TV. We got, I was gonna try to give y'all a haul real quick, but y'all, I'm tired. I got me some food from Raising Cane's. I got 2 of these pillows from Walmart for $5. I got some towels, carpet cleaner, pots and pans set. Oh no, that's the pot and pan set, and this is just another piece of it. A comforter and a baking mixed bowl set. So yeah, I mean, we went all in today, y'all. So anywho, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I'm so tired, I'm not even sure what day this is for. But anywho, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.